एटा हमें ये जाने
the int year, then printf enter a year. We are passing a year here. The year modulo 400 is equals to 0. It will check whether the year is what divisible by 400 is equals to 0 or not. If it is true, then else if another condition, nested if else another condition, else if year modulo 100 is equals to 0, then it is a leap year. Else if year modulo 4 is a leap year, okay, jadi year modulo 4 is remainder is 0, it is showing you it is a leap year, or else it is showing you it is not a leap year. So 3 conditions you have to pass. First is year is divisible by 400, okay, or year is divisible by 100, or year is divisible by 4.
If they satisfy करना, then it is a leap year.
So 1900 is not a leap year. Okay.
Sir, जो scanf टा रहला तार function कौन रहला?
And that is it is used to taking the input from the user and store in a variable.
माने जोटा हमर accept होतला pseudo code रे.
Bas. And for
printf टा होची display होतला pseudo code रे.
For display the data in a C program we are using a printf, and for taking the keyboard input we are using scanf.
ଆଉ से जो scanf रे percentile d तो मेंशन हला तापर जो and year टा हला सेटा माने हम नॉर्मली कॉमा देकी खाली लिखु ना.
Now it is a holding a value. For holding a value and store in a variable, ampersand is used. Okay.
एथरे किंतु जो भी माने ये लाइन कमेंट लाइन गुडा लिखा हिची सब माने डबल स्लैश रे ही खाली स्टार्ट हिची माने सॉरी नी किछि रे आ तार स्टार मार्क भी दिया नि स्टार्टिंग रे वर्ड रे.
That is a comment line. हमें multiple comment line है ले slash star star slash use करते. It is single line comment use करले हमें double slash use करियो. तो सेटा भी हमें double slash use करी भी करिए तो.
माने परफेक्ट गोटे गोटे कमेंट लाइन पे सपोज तीनटा कमेंट लाइन एका संगे हमें लिखिया तो सब कमेंट लाइन पे डबल स्लैश देकी स्टार्ट करिवा ना गोटे रे खाली स्टार्ट करे बाकी तीनटा लिखिया.
जितरा comment line पास करियो सितरा तमे double slash use करियो. बुझिला?
आई गेस आगे
तो ये प्रोग्राम को हमें आउट करी परिबा. प्रैक्टिस टा स्टार्ट कर दो दिगो longer program is replaced with the logical operator. If year modulo 4 is equals to 0 and the year modulo 100 is not equals to 0. Okay. Or year modulo 400 is equals to 0, then it is a leap year.
System.out.println कौन
To replace it.
ओ सेटा एते छोट रे हेला से एते बड़टा को दि चारटा लाइन में सरी गेला
This is not a leap year. So it is used by using of a logical operator. If you are using
Logical
a logical operator, then it makes your program as a smaller part.
सेठी नेस्टेड इफ एल्स ने कि हमें करथलु तो बड़ होतला एठी सिंगल इफ एल्स रे लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर यूज कर देलो तो छोट रे गोटे लाइन में सरी गेला
बुझला
आई गेस
The next example we go for here we pass suppose 21. The number is odd. Next programming is nested if statement. It always a legal in C programming to nest if else statement, which means you can use if or else statement within the another if and else statement. So in a one if and else statement, you can include another if and else statement. Okay. The if Boolean expression, if your condition is true, it is going to the inner loop. In inner loop, another condition will change. Okay.
नॉर्मल नेस्टेड इफ एल्स जेमती पढिथिला
हाँ. This one, we are taking a two variable int a equals to 100, b equals to 200. If a is equals to b, if if it is true, then it is going to the again another if else condition. If b is equals to 200, then value of a is 100 and b is 200. If in between any one condition is false, suppose a is 300, so 300 is equals to 100, condition is false. If you pass a is 200 and b is 300, a equals to 100, condition is true. Then b is equals to 300, condition is false. Okay.
खाली if रे ही है
It is called as the what? Nested if else condition.
nested if.
Here it's showing you value of a and b is 100 and 200. Okay, it's showing you the output. Value of a is 200 and b is 200. Then exact value is 100 and 200. To pass here, suppose a condition is true, b condition if you pass here false. It is not executing this part. It is only showing you the outer part of the if else. Exact value of a is 100. Exact value of b is 300.
खाली शो करला माने printf part टा
हाँ बुझेला okay so next class रे एटा पढिबा switch case switch state so do the practical okay, if you face any kind of doubt then call me okay next class Monday